morning friends. Today we discuss about the topic point to point link. Point to point link in between transmitter and receiver, we can give the channel, that is optical fiber channel. The point to point link, transmission link, it is a simplest technique. Next, it has a three major components of point to point link. One is the transmitter, second one is the receiver, and third one is the channel. In channel, two connectors and fibers and splices are connected. Okay, now we can explain the block diagram of point to point link. Okay, this is the transmitter side, this is the receiver part. Okay, the three parts already I explained. Three types of components: transmitter, receiver and channel. First one is the transmitter, this is the receiver side. In between transmitter and receiver, I connect the optical channel. Okay, next, in first block, this is the information source. We are applying information in signals, any information I am giving to this block. That information is converted into electrical signals. That electrical signal is given to the transmitter block. The transmitter is transmit the electrical signal. That electrical signal will be converted into light signal. Okay, that light signal is converted by using the optical channel. Through optical channel, in receiver side, the receiver is received the light signal. Okay, that will be received in light signal. That receiver is given to the source. User is nothing but the receiver is received the original signal. That light will be converted into electrical signal. The user is received the original information. Okay, next, here the channel parameters of optical fiber. Here we are using the channel. What are the parameters in this channel? First one is the core size. Next, numerical aperture. What is the bandwidth? Next, attenuation. Attenuation is in terms of dB by kilometer. Next, the core refractive index. These are the channel parameters in this optical fiber. Next, we can go for transmitter side. This transmitter also having some parameters. Okay, transmitter nothing but we are giving input. Source is used. What are the source is used? LEDs and lasers. Any one of these source you can use in this transmitter side. Okay, this LEDs and lasers, its energy is radiated with by using wavelength. That wavelength is emitted by using this emission wavelength. That emission energy equal to hc by lambda. Next one is the transmitter parameters: spectral line width and effective radiation area and emission pattern. Next, we can go for the receiver parameters. Receiver is nothing but receive the original data. Then photodetectors are used. Photodiodes, pin diode and APD, avalanche photodiode. Okay, these receiver parameters are responsivity and operating wavelength. What is the sensitivity of the receiver? Okay, these are the parameters in receiver side we can measure. Okay. Next, two types of analysis is done to identify these system parameters. What are those two types of system parameters are? Link power budget analysis and rise time budget analysis. Okay, in next lecture I will discuss the link power budget analysis and rise time budget analysis. Okay, now we can discuss by using this. I discussed already in previous block diagram. Next, by using in these transmitter parameters. Okay, now discuss with this by using transmitter parameters. Three major components are there in point to point link. First, transmitter and receiver and channel. Okay, then in transmitter side, the parameters source is used LEDs and lasers. This optical source are LEDs and lasers. By using this diode, LEDs and lasers, this emit the radiation and emission of electrical signal is converted into light signal. Okay, this electrical signal is converted into light signal that will be connected in fly lead. Then fly lead is connected to the one connector in transmitter. Next, in between transmitter and receiver, we can connect the optical channel. Okay, these optical channel through we can connect the receiver side. We can go for the receiver side. In this receiver side, here also connected in one connector and fly lead. In this fly lead, the electrical signal will be passing. That electrical signal in destination side, that can be received by using photodetector. That using photodetector means the light signal will be converted into original electrical signal. Okay. Next, we can go for the middle one, the optical channel. Okay, optical channel is connected in splices. Okay, optical channel have optical fiber. It is very difficult to have very long length of distances. This is very difficult to connect the very long length of distances in optical fibers. Then sometimes this channel length L is in terms of kilometers. At this time, that long length of optical fiber is not possible. Why? Because the distance will be kilometers. Then we can connect this multiple number of optical fiber connected to splices. I am connecting multiple number of optical fiber to only one splice. Then another one important point in this optical channel is attenuation. This attenuation constant of that optical fiber, this will be justify the distance, the long length distance transmit the signal, how much propagate through the fiber. Okay, the attenuation constant is justified, then how much signal is propagated through the optical fiber. Thank you, friends.